everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox my June Euphorbia box, and let's just open and see what are the contents I got this time. So this is basically one of the very affordable subscription box available in India. So अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है to receive boxes like this but your budget is not very good, this is the appropriate box to go with. So let's just check out what I have. Alright, so this is the pouch I got this time. I think ये इनका पहले भी इस टाइप का एक बार पाउच इन्होंने सेंड किया था. I have this kind of pouch before और शायद मुझे Euphorbia box में ही आया था. So it's a nice decent size pouch to keep your stuff and makeup. It is waterproof material, floral print, really nice. So इसे खोलते हैं, हम देखते हैं क्या क्या contents हैं इस बार. Alright, so first I'm taking out the info card, and this time's theme is Beach Please, and all the contents are written here. So this time basically Euphorbia box में हर बार एक ही तरह का content होता था. Everybody used to get the same products, but this time they have 3 kinds of boxes, and हर box की details लिखी हुई हैं, so you never know what box you are getting. So they have set 1, set 2 and set 3. Few things are similar in all the boxes, but few things are different, so all the things are mentioned here in the info card. Alright, so the very first thing I can see are earrings, and I have the same earrings before as well. So these are tassel earrings, black metal tassel earrings, and I really don't know whether you'll be getting the same pair of earrings or not. So the earrings you're getting are different in each box. So I'm getting I have box number 2 I suppose, because उसमें tassel earrings available हैं which retails for about 250. So set number 1 में कलीरे earrings हैं, and set number 3 में मीनाकारी earrings हैं. I got set number 2, that is tassel earrings. So let's just wear them and see how they are looking on me. This is how the earrings are looking me. Really pretty, really nice pair of earrings. Alright, moving on to other products. I see a face primer. This is All Day Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer, and this is by the brand called SFR Color. The amount of product I'm getting is 20 ml of product, and that means 0.67 fluid ounce. Yeah, so basically it's a normal 20 ml sized प्राइमर बाय SFR कलर. जिस सेट में tassel earring लिखे हुए थे उस सेट में ये वाला प्राइमर नहीं है. आई थिंक दे हैव रैंडमली put the stuff in one pouch. So जो SFR All Day Pro Prep Face Primer है, this is in set number 3. So I don't think so these are Meenakari earrings. I don't think so. I think there are tassel earrings only. Alright, anyways, and in the other 2 sets you will be getting Rs. All Day Mattifying Primer. Here I am getting SFR All Day Pro Prep Primer, and every primer retails for Rs or SFR retails for 199 Indian rupees. Alright, moving on to another thing. Alright, I also have this before, but I haven't tried it abhi tak. But definitely I really want to try this. I have this oil in my vanity. Basically this is by AM Greens. This is Sun Erase Cooling Summer Facial Oils. It has jojoba, coconut, tamanu and cardamom, and it's an oil you can just apply it directly onto your face, or you can just dilute it with water and then apply it. This is 15 ml of product, but this one is like really expensive oil. I already have this bottle. This one retails for 1199. Yes, 1200 ka oil hai ye, and I haven't tried it on my face yet, but definitely I'll be trying. If it's good, I'll be using that bottle, and I might give away the second one. So this is again in set number 3. I think I got set number 3. I think these are Meenakari pair of earrings only. I'm still not sure. So yeah, this is the third thing I got in this box. Alright, moving on to next thing. I'm left with one last thing, and I think this is the same in all the 3 boxes, and this is the star product of the June bag. This is a lipstick set, and I have 10 of the lipsticks. These are mini sized lipstick, and this is by the brand called Code. Kode matte lipsticks. So the colors are gorgeous. Yeah, earlier also they have sent this kind of set. I don't remember the brand, but the lipsticks were really nice. I gifted a few lipsticks to my sister-in-laws and few to my mother-in-law, and everybody loved it. I think I'm just gonna take this set to them and I'll just ask them to pick shades whatever they want. So yeah, so these are the lipsticks. So in total I got 4 products in this set. I think I got the set number 3, Code mini lipstick set, and this lipstick set retails for 399 Indian rupees. That means 400. That means each lipstick retails for about 39 rupees. And then I have SFR All Day Pro Prep Face Primer. Then I have AM Green Sun Erase Cooling Summer Facial Oil and the earrings, of course. So yeah. So that's it for the what I got in my Euphorbia box or Euphorbia box unboxing of June. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe, help me grow. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye bye.